Welcome to section 4. In this section, we're going to be discussing classes and structures, and later on, we're going to be building a casino guessing game. In this first video, though, we're going to look at why you should use classes and structures. So first of all, we'll just briefly talk about what they are and why you should use them in C++. At a basic level, classes and structures are objects. C++ is an object-oriented programming language, or at least it can be if you use classes and structures. And the whole idea of this is that classes and structures can serve as containers of code. Now, what this means is that you can keep code that is related to a certain type or object, in this case, in one place, and then reuse that object in multiple locations. That is another advantage of classes and structures, and it goes into why you should use them in your code. It allows you to reuse a lot of your code, so you're not typing it out over and over again. It encapsulates your code, which means that everything relating to a specific task or set of tasks is in one place. So it encapsulates the idea of what you want to model in your code in a single place. A good example of this is, say you want to model a shape, like a rectangle. Well, you can make a class called a shape. A shape has an area, it has edges, so on and so forth. So you can encapsulate that idea into a single class. And finally, object-oriented programming is flexible and powerful. It allows your code to be maintained easily, it can be extended easily, and it just works really well if you do it the right way. So that's a brief look at why you should use classes and structures.